Hey Shooby Doodlers, on Draw Stuff Real Easy today I'm going to do a drawing called The Power of Love, because this is Valentine's week when I'm doing it. So I'm going to draw this heart that's kind of slightly on one side, and what it is, it's like a power thing, a volume knob, that's the word I'm looking for. I'm going to make that come slightly around there. So we want a little bit of room there. So it kind of looks also like a chocolate, doesn't it? I suppose. And then we're going to want to have our kind of thing. So the knob turns around like that, and that's going to go kind of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, something like that. I think we need to have the word love in the middle as well, probably. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and then I'm going to come straight down there, and then down to a point. And coming up and around down to there, and that will curve slightly down to that point there. This will want to be a point, but then that's going to kind of dot away into the distance there, and this will come around and again kind of dot into the distance, and then that will be very definitely there. And then, you know, on those kind of volume knobs you get these kind of knurled edges. It's knurled with a K. It's a lovely word. And so this is kind of the finger grip kind of edge. So sort of very gently, carefully kind of put these on there like that. And while I'm doing all of these, why don't you come down here and click that subscribe button and come back for more videos on Draw Stuff Real Easy. Almost every day I'm doing at the moment. Certainly this week there's a new Valentine's idea for a drawing every week, every day of the week. So I'm going to put a little kind of a highlight there, and I'm going to put love, L-O-V-E, like that. And then we're going to want to have this, what do we call it? This is the volume control kind of indicator, isn't it? I don't know what you would call this part. I wonder if we have some little bits in between like that. That makes it look a little bit more obvious then, rather than just a lot of kind of little lines sticking out in the middle of nowhere. And then we'll go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. I think we're going to need kind of a line coming along there. It's the edge of the control panel kind of thing. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some cross hatching in right on that line of the kind of the point of the heart, but I'm not going to take it all the way to the edge like that. And then we're also going to want a bit of shading on here as well, I think. So I'm just going to put a little bit of shading here, which is going to not put it on the table, it's going to put it on the control desk, or whatever it's going to be called. You can colour it in red, of course, if you want, maybe kind of make the table another different colour. And there you go, how to draw the power of love. Real easy.